prepare your soil for plantation. Now this requires some amount of planning. We would advise you, if you have time before your commercial crop, we would advise you to do some green manuring. You can plant some sun hemp in the same plot and mulch that back into the soil, and then start preparing the soil. So preparation of soil would involve tilling. It would involve using a rotavator to make your soil porous, making some beds if required, then lay your drip irrigation line on those beds, and then plant your saplings. We would advise you tilling for the first time. Once your farm is turned into a food forest, a veritable food forest, there's no requirement for tilling it. But for the first time, yes. So it's these practices, and by the time your green manure is happening in the first 2-3 months, whatever plantations or whatever crops you've chosen to plant in a soil, you can start growing them in a small nursery at the farm, so that those saplings are also coming up, green manuring is also happening, and then you start with your main commercial crop.